You want coils looking amazing like this using your 3-head barrel coiler. Then keep watching this video and I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks to get your wig looking this flawless. So first you need obviously your 3-head barrel coiler, your holding spray, your heat protector, and any coil set of your choice. So I'm going to begin by spraying my heat protector on my hair and just massage it inside. So I'm just going to make sure I get every section. I'm just going to massage it in my hair. So after doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair. I'm just going to speed this up so I don't waste your sweet time. And then we're going to get started. So I'm going to clip the root of my hair and just make sure I get it nice and get a nice grip, and then hold for like 8 to 10 seconds depending on the heat of your barrel, and then release, and then you work your way down the hair. So that's basically what I'm doing. So I'm going to also be speeding this up so I don't waste your time, but you get the drill. So you clamp it, you hold for some seconds, and then you release and you work your hair down. And after doing your first layer, your hair should look something like this, as you can see. So we are going to go to the next section of our hair. So I'm going to apply my heat protector again, and then I'm just going to basically repeat the same process. So I always like to scrunch it up, so I just make the curls last longer and let the heat cool off before I release while I'm working my way down. So that's just basically what I do on repeat. So we are going to move to the next section of our hair and just basically repeat the same process. I'm trying to do this over and over so you see how I'm working my way through the hair. So you hold for some seconds and you release, you hold for some seconds and you release, and you work your hair and you work your way down the hair. So here's what it should look like. Perfect, right? Keep watching. So here's what our hair is looking like, and I'm going to go now to the front part of our hair. So I'm first of all going to make a part and just clear it out of the way, and then I'm going to begin. So since here is the front part of the hair, I want it to be more pronounced, so I'm going to use my T-pins to just clip the curls in place, and I'm going to take them out only when I'm about installing the wig on my hair. So here's what I do. Clip my pins, and this is just going to hold the curls in place and make it look more pronounced and more flawless for the front of our hair. And I'm just going to do that for each section of the hair as I work my way down. So I'm just basically working my hair down the hair and just pinning it in place. So here's a tip to get it extra coiled at the front and looking beautiful. So we are going to go on the other side and just basically repeat the same process. So you're going to clamp and hold. Hold for some seconds before you release. I'm just trying to get the front looking as gorgeous as possible. So I'm just checking to see if it's hot enough to release. And guys, I also noticed something. The middle part of this barrel seems as if it doesn't get that hot compared to the two on the sides. So that's just something I noticed. so don't depend on it a lot since the two on the side are extremely hot compared to the middle, sorry. So I just clip that in place. This is the front. Remember, we want it looking as gorgeous as possible, and here's our final look. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my holding spray. Do this from a safe distance so you don't weigh your hair down. So here's the holding spray I use, a stylish hairspray. And next I'm going to go with my hair oil to just give it that shine. I was actually generous with this because I wanted it looking so stunning and smooth and silky. So yeah, and here's what our wig looks like after styling. Thanks very much for watching. It will mean a lot to me if you please like and subscribe for more videos as I post amazing tutorials. I hope this video helped you to achieve your curls that you desire. Bye.